In a town where dreams first bloomed, we whispered secrets in the twilight's hue. Hand in hand we traced our fate, but life had plans we couldn't anticipate. We loved in moments stolen from time, our hearts in rhythm, a perfect rhyme. But the world had ways to pull us apart, left us searching with pieces of our heart. We were two stars, shining so bright, lost in the universe, in the deep night. We searched and wandered through every storm, but we found our way, just not in each other's arms. What we've seen, two hearts forever intertwined in the memories we leave behind.